Hello guys, this is the Vertibrio again playing Bleach versus One Piece in Dota 2. So right now we're going to play Lucy. I love this game because of basically Lucy is the reason because his final form, the beast form, which takes about in level 5. Right, level 5 basically just makes him no cooldown monster. This character is above all very dangerous if you let him be. But if he gets no boost in his level up, he's one of the worst. If you know what I mean. So his talent tree is 25% magic resistance or 15 armor. You have to choose or 70 in the second one 75 damage and or 650 HP. The third one is attack speed or evasion. Or and the last one is reduce damage or life steal. I would preferably reduce damage, attack, evasion, and others the HP because he's one OP character. Maybe signal. Oh shit! Signal here. Nope. Okay, we gotta try this one and this one. Okay, they're fighting now, so I'm just going. Okay, mid. I can take them all, so I'm just don't attack first because they're going to attack you again. See, this is the reason why I don't. That's why this one is a very good. Yeah, you're not going to kill me. Whoops! Oh wow, you still got me. Mid again. We're going to take over this game. Okay, I'm going to take all of them, but turns out I can take them out. Oops. Oh shit, he got me again. Woo, that's one headache of an enemy. Brook is one of the character in this game. I don't know why. And I'm still not leveling up yet. Okay, they are level 3, level 5. Okay, I'm leveling up now. Oh, you're not going to make it. Okay, he's back again. This time, this one, and okay. I have already opened. So, next one is Muscle Madness. Maybe this one. No, no, no. No, no. Let's just go for Vladimir's. That's one was better. I think. Hey, they're attacking the north, but I would prefer more of this one. Oh shit, he got me. Okay, kill. Oh man, I hate the harpy got me. We gotta take the middle one because there's more enemy there. Okay, got him, but he's still alive. take me out. Okay, if it take me, I have chicken right now. Plus this. And this. Come on, help me. Okay, can take. Oh shit, I got hit again. Oh shit, he got me. Ooh, intense. Oh, I almost opened mine. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, he got two. He got three. And he's down. Oh shit, that's one of the car. Okay, we need boots. So we're good to go. Not yet. Let's go. I have no mana. Okay, grab. Where mid? We need mid. And after life steal, we gotta open this one. Oh shit! I almost did it. Okay, wait. Next one is critical strike, which I don't know which one. Okay, we're mid. Okay, they have handled all the mid. Oops. Come on, take this. Oh shit! Yeah, you're down. Armor. I need armor. Okay, you're stunned. Okay, Brooks is an OP character in this. Not mad about that because since the beginning he is still that one team member you shouldn't let become stronger for some reason. Plus they're brutal. Oh, they're brutal. Oh shit. Okay, gotta get out. Okay, you have to attack me. Dumb as Brooks think he can attack me. Yeah, bro. Attack. Attack if you can. Okay, he got me. Ah, shit. Let's grab all. Only one more item. Okay, it's going to be alive again. Okay, we need to help them. Okay, where's the others? Oh, only one. What guy? That's fuck up, man. Okay, now we need butterfly. Maybe this. What is this one? The 1% target scare rate bonus. Okay, I can do that. Okay, you're stunned. It's going to be alive again. Nope. I'm not gonna attack. They're attacking him. Po! Po! Ano po yan? Bakit? Bakit? Ha?
Magma!
Okay, what is his build? Oh, multiple uses. This is stock. I think they're going to win against me. Hey, I got this from. Hey, where are they? I think my teammates killing up. Yeah, they kill off one of those boss. We're going to kill off one of those boss after a while. But for now, not yet. Okay. Oops. Oh, shit. Oh, he got me. Yeah. Why are they attacking early in the match? Gotta get my base farm again. Then recipe is up to 4. Yeah, someone is going rampage. And it's a teammate of mine scaling up everyone. Ah. Okay, we open. Not. Okay, just doing this. Okay. 75 damage. I have made us, but I still don't need this. Oh, that's showing shop and now okay 4,800. We need an IVA item, so just going to take this. Give me that. This. It's not giving me anything. At least they're giving me something. Okay. What is the fuck? Okay, I think I'm close. I haven't played this game in a while. Still not enough. How about this one? Okay, no wonder. Just go meet. Okay, we're going directly to that. Okay, now I'm okay. Now I'm okay. That's good. Now we're just clearing the lanes. Now I want to go here. Okay, we're at the advantage, so we don't need to worry about things like that. Okay, but still the others are still hunting. The good thing about this hero is that in this form you don't need to upgrade anything. So he just gets stronger and stronger as time goes by. Hey, another one. Oh, Rem, going there. No way I'm letting you get there. Okay, looks just let. I'm gonna need jump. Okay, we got this. We got this. Stupid dumb ass is still standing here. Okay, another one. Okay, let's check. Only 1,000 more. Still late. Oh yeah. Open again. Oh, this just keeps going. Okay, you can't hit me, dudes. Dude can't hit me. Next time, Basher. Hey, who's this one? Okay, bye. Okay, I'm just killing this off. Didn't need the Kogan yet. Hey, someone is in there. Okay, he's level 36. I need the Basher. Maybe we should get a basher. Oh, which one is basher? I think this one. No. Ah, where is basher? What do you need to build a basher? I think this one. Let's. I don't remember which one is basher. Hey, hey, basher. Okay, now we have basher. Okay, I want to get basher. Damage, bash melee chance, 8 bash range chance. Okay, someone is doing. Oh, Sora couldn't even. Ah, you think you can kill me? It's kind of fun. Okay, got him. Okay, someone's still alive. Okay, one's live. Okay, 17,500. Ah, these things are expensive. Okay, someone has shown his face. And I'm going there. You sure you wanna attack me? Yeah, they want to attack me. Ah, still think they can reach me. Oh shit, he got me. Okay, where do you give up? Oh shit. Ah, I can take them. Sorry, dude. Broke is trying to get the money there. Oh shit. Okay, go down. Okay, got you. Who is this? Ah, shit, he got him. Still can take them. Oh shit, he got killed. Ah, shit. Okay, gotta get her. Where's, oh, this book again. Shit, they killed me again. Reduce damage, reduce damage. Okay, I'm going down. I wanna see where this leads. Okay, I'm going to kill you now because you've been fucking with me since day one. Hmm. Okay, gonna take this one out. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Hey, can you take him out right now? Oh, he has lots of HP. Okay, take him out. With HP for now. Okay, get out. Get out now. You can take him. Okay, he's gone now, so... Okay, I think this one should... Okay, I'll bash her now. That's the only two skill that I need. See this? Get out of here. Think you can take me out? Really? Taking me out. Okay, inside here. Shit, he's fast. He's fast. Oh shit. Where's the others? Okay, gotta get out. Okay, gotta go sell. Show in shop. Bottom. Going down. Okay. Okay, got it. Tank this, I think. Okay, got it. Do this. I can take him. Assign me these things. Okay, level me up, dudes. Okay, they're attacking me. All. Can take them.
Ay!
Pa!
Pumunta na lang sa labas. Sabi ng mama mo.
Bakit? Bakit? Wala akong naamoy. Wala pa? Saan yun naamoy yung gasolina? Wala naman, may.
Oo, sa may sasakyan.
Patignan nyo yung takip. Wala naman.
Susi.
Ito pa kayo na hindi nakasangkasiw.
Wala mong susi niya.
Any guy can wear a hat, but only you can turn heads while wearing one.
Susi ng motor. May mo itong ilaw.
Apa. Panasan kayo?
Ha?
Nasaan kayo?
Ano ito?
Ano yun? Okay, come back. Oh, they're going to have king. Oh shit, wrong one. There's no comeback here. Shit, Okay, I got it. You think. Okay, next one. This is the last one. So yeah. Okay. Okay, I think my screen is lagging right now. I think I have no armor. Oh shit, I think he is going to win. Kill them. This last one is 28,000. Oh shit, I got the middle again. Shit, I'm stuck here again. Oh, they have just given up. Okay. I think my frame rate has gone down below. Someone's hitting me. Okay, someone is. Okay, what the fuck is that? That's my V-spawn. Which... What is my effect? Okay, what the fuck just happened? Okay. Stun again. Please stun.
Hindi naman nag-text, hindi naman nag-chat-chat. Isa pa lang.
You piece of shit. That's my money there.
Pagsagot. Pagsagot, hindi naman hawak ng cellphone.
Shit. We won. I think there's a kill limit here. Shit. Continue. Only 38 minutes and it feels like longer than that. And this is the end of the game. I hope you watch this until the end because I'm sure I wouldn't because my play was really bad. What's fun about this game is you see whose car has been mode but you were playing another character in the game. That's what's fun about these games. So okay.